if that guy will not make it, all the payment to us, we will return it to the company. Sabi siya, ulo ka, anong klaseng kontrata siya? Paano natin ba? And during that time, dugo talaga ang ilong ko. Minsan, nakikita ko sa galeriya, sa Crown, ano ba yun? Crown Plaza. Nasa salamin ako, tumutuloy yung dugo ko sa ilong. So, sobrang pagpupumilit, no? But those experiences made me a person. So, we exist by this, the 6 core values, the true success in life. For all those years, I have never been successful like Doc Ann and Mike told. I have never been. You know, just to give you an example, not to take this much. In one company, I made 8 million in 9 months. I thought that's the beginning of me becoming rich. 9 months, 8 million. But after a year, I was broke. I didn't understand why. My wife is very good in documenting. You know, alam niyo yung logbook ng gwardiya, yung kulay blue? Doon. Nakasulat lahat doon. And sabi niya, what happened? And then he will open it to me and hindi ko na binasa. Because I just realized, walang diferensya yung logbook. Ako may diferensya. She's good at accounting. Diba? Kaya nga ang arrangement namin, I am the recognition, she's the commission. So, wala tayong magawa. If you only decide that 6 core values, you can very, very sure that you will become millionaire anyway. I can attest to that. So now, paano natin? So, we exist by contribution. If you exist because you want to earn, it's not gonna work. You know, I talked to Jeddah because her topic was so good in Pampanga. And once again, I saw the Abraham Maslow. Kaya Abraham Maslow. Di ba yung, tinignan ko nga sa cellphone ko yun eh. Di ba yung una, tinatawagan ako ng upline ni Lani. Well, training ako sa States. Mamaya tawag kita. Pinatay ko na eh. Anyway, so Abraham Maslow. Di ba yung Abraham Maslow, ano yung base doon? Yung basic needs, tama? After basic needs is identity, social skills. Dito yung, sa pinakataas is self-actualization, your dreams and everything. So lahat tayo, sabi ko kay Jeddah, ganun ang take natin sa Abraham Maslow. But my mentor, which one of the best in networking also, I will not mention baka marating sa kanya pagalitan ako, no? Galing yun, he is the number 1 of a company, the first big network, US networking company in the Philippines, from the US. Sabi niya, you read it wrong. If your mind is focused on the base, sabi niya, you will keep on surviving for the rest of your life. But if you focus on the top, which is the self-actualization, the self-value, the potential of life, the visioning and the casting of vision, you will carry it on. Because that's the way to read the basic law of human being. So, we exist for contribution. We exist for making this country big. It might be idealistic, but our boss is idealistic. And he has proven his idealism to succeed for 17 years. Tama? Now, let's talk about system. Ano ba yung system? A platform muna. A platform, all of you are in the platform. The platform of what? Leadership. You will lead people. You know, the rise and fall of everything is about leadership. Let me tell you that. If I will not lead my family, it's gonna be haywire. There must be a certain rule in the house. Tama? If everybody decides in the family, there's gonna be a problem. So, leadership, that is what the platform will do. All of you has a fair chance, equal chance in the platform. Pare-pareho tayo. Wala tayong pinagkaiba. So, what is a system? Bago ako tumuloy sa topic ko. Dapat pala bumili akong clicker, no? According to Big Boss, a system in Reway is a black box. O siya nagturo niyan. A black box that all of us will pass through that. If you say system, according to Big Boss, it composed of the whole package of Freeway. The culture, the leaders, the management, everything. And Big Boss was able to create an environment conducive for growth. Yan. Parang si Doc Ana ako magsalita ngayon. Conducive for growth. Environment. But seriously, I'm getting this. Kasi ito yung nami-miss natin eh. This company is a multi-billion dollar, but we look at it as 100,000 pesos. So, you pass through the black box, and once you pass through, you will become leaders. That's the reason this company invests so much in events. You have seen that lady in the staff meeting kanina sa video? Si Cindy Wang. Di ba hindi mo alam kung pinapakain sa ng magulang niya sa sobrang payat, di ba? Di ba? But do you know that lady was paid by Riway just to grace the occasion of staff dinner? They paid, in Forso, Riway paid $350,000. That's 15 million.
Wow.
To value the employee. Company is investing so much. But what we see after Dato Kenny in the last top leaders meeting was like this. You went to Singapore. Singapore. And you were so on fire. Did you bring that fire to the Philippines so that they can come in LTS? You see this?
Yeah.